Lights, camera, action.
In this video, I show you how to install the default JDK or the OpenJDK. After doing the sudo apt update, just use the command sudo apt install and add to it, or the package to install is simply default-jdk. Then after that, after the installation, you will have to set the Java ham variable. To do that, first you have to identify the path in which your Java was installed. To do this, use the update alternatives command using the option or the config option Java. Then select the corresponding path. From that, you will have to edit the etc environment variable. So you have to use the sudo command for that and to specify an editor. In this example, I'm using Nano since it's installed. You can use any other editor, for example, gedit. Then you passed the path, but you let only the path of the JDK, the folder of the JDK.